Bear thought she saw some food up in the branches, but then she heard a loud hiss. "When I want to warn bears to leave me alone, I do this," said Snake. Bear lay down flat and hissed, just like Snake. And Bear remembered that she should take care in the forest. Can you do it too? 1. Lie flat on the ground with your hands underneath your shoulders, palms down and fingertips pointing forward. Keep your elbows close to your body. 2. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, try to stretch your back as you slowly lift your head and chest off the ground. Keep your tummy on the ground and look straight ahead, relaxing your shoulders. 3. Take 3 quiet breaths here, making a hissing sound as you breathe out.